So before watching this video, make sure that you have gone through example 1C of rectangle. That means this example where a rectangle is resting on one of its large side and its surface makes an angle 30 degree, while the edge on which it is resting is inclined at 55 degree to BP. So in this example, we keep the rectangle on one of its large side in HP. Now we are going to reverse the condition in 1D, example 1D. So here the rectangle is resting on one of its large side in VP. So accordingly we draw the true shape. Then its surface makes an angle 30 degree with VP. So we tilted it by angle 30. So for this we have to use rotate command. So A dash B dash is our base point. Then we have to click on reference. So this is first reference, second reference, and angle as -30. So this rotation we get. So here we have to keep in mind that we should add angle as -30. Then this length BC is getting compressed. So we have to show this length. So it comes as 30, similar to this one. So here also the length come as a 30. Now after that, we have to copy this object and we have to tilt it to 55 degree, and we have to make sure that this line AB makes an angle 55. So for that, after opening rotate command, A is our base point. Then we have to click on reference. A is our first reference point and B is our second reference point, and then add angle 55 degree. So after this, when we complete the top view, so this D dash C dash length is 29 and this angle is 35. So it is similar to the previous case where in front view this D dash C dash length is 29 and this B dash C dash angle is 35. So you can observe it over here. So in this way you have to complete this example 1D. Thank you.